Guys, this is TS3440 printer, Canon Pixma series. If I give copy or information page printing command, or we give command from computer or mobile phone, you can see printer is not feeding paper properly. It's getting jammed or getting stuck inside. Today we will learn how to fix this issue. If you ever found your printer is not picking up the paper, stay with me and watch the complete video. Look, you can see it's feeded, but it's getting stuck on the right side or left side. It's not feeding. Look, you can hear the sound. It's not feeding the paper. Simply without taking it to any service center, first of all you have to see what ever you found printer is not picking up the paper, or it's getting jammed, or it's picking up the paper, feeding from one side and second side is not feeding. What to do? You need just flat screwdriver. Same, I will show you. Just hold on. Okay, we have flat screwdriver. Fine. What I will do is open the in carriage cover and I will disconnect the power for safety and I will lift it up. So now you can see, simply you have to pull these white color plate. There are four patterns, 4 patches, 1 2 3 4. We have to lift one by one because maybe something is getting stuck inside. Okay, first of all you have to lift the side where paper is getting stuck and getting jammed. If I will see here, and you can see there is cotton bud inside. I will push this with the flat screwdriver behind, so suppose still not coming out. Again I will check. Okay, so you have to release. Still it's sticky, I think. Yeah, now it's okay. There are two, not one. There were 2 cotton buds that stuck inside. That is creating problem to feed the paper. Now turn off this, close the cover in carriage. I will turn on the machine and we will check it's feeding now paper or not. Now I will give copy command or information page, whatever. We will see is feeding paper or not. Before it was getting jam inside. You can see paper path was not cleared. So you have to find something what is in the paper path with the help of flat screwdriver, and hopefully it will work with your Canon printers. You can use this method in any kind of Canon, Pixma, TS or MG, any kind of. And you can see it's feeding now very well. It's feeding fine. So this was the issue. As I mentioned, you have to clear the paper path. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.